deep within the heart of the large Congo Basin, where the verdant canopy formed a roof over the land, thrived a tribe known as Guardians of the Jungle, led by Chief Mukaji. They were stewards of the jungle, protecting its flora and fauna. One day, a young boy named Kwame, filled with curiosity and admiration for the jungle's mysteries, set out on a daring adventure. He wanted to prove himself to his tribe and, most importantly, to his father, who was a respected elder. Venturing deeper into the jungle than ever before, Kwame encountered the diverse creatures that called the Congo Basin home. He met Kali, the wise gorilla, who taught him strength and passion, and Tatu, the playful elephant, who imparted lessons of family and loyalty. As Kwame journeyed further, he stumbled upon an injured panther, Azibo. Despite the initial fear, Kwame showed kindness, nursing Azibo back to health. In gratitude, Azibo revealed the jungle's hidden secret, a magnificent waterfall that held the power to heal the land. Excited, Kwame rushed back to his tribe to share this newfound knowledge. With Chief Mukaji's guidance, the tribe set out on a journey to protect the waterfall and preserve the harmony of the jungle. United, the guardians faced challenges, showcasing their strength, wisdom, and unity. Together, they protected the waterfalls, ensuring its magic could continue to heal the land and its inhabitants. In the end, Kwame had proven himself not only to his father, but to the entire tribe. He had become a true guardian of the Congo Basin, carrying the responsibility of preserving the jungle's beauty and wisdom for generations to come. The tale of Kwame and the guidance of the Congo Basin echoed through the canopy, a testament to the importance of harmony, unity, and stewardship of nature.